Hey everyone, Nix here. Today I'm gonna teach you how I clean my mouse pads. I personally believe that this is the simplest and the most efficient way of doing so. What I do is I simply use a steam cleaner made for fabric and I run my mousepad over twice, both vertically and horizontally. After that, I simply let it air dry, or if I want it to be ready sooner rather than later, I take a piece of cloth and I scrub it a little bit. But it is as simple as that. The steam cleaner gets in really nice and gets rid of most of the top layer of dirt. I've had very high success in cleaning my mouse pads that are slightly dirty and making them feeling basically brand new. Mouse pads that are already like really dirty into like the deeper parts, it doesn't really get all that. But if you have a steam cleaner and you know this now and you just stay on top of it, you can make sure that your mouse pads are going to last a very, very long time. And on top of that, it's a pretty enjoyable experience. The steam goes out and you feel like hella cool. Well, that is how I do it, and I think you should do the same. Any steam cleaner works. I don't think the ones for clothes are good, but the ones for fabric that have the same attachments as you see in my video here, I highly recommend those. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out my channel and like and subscribe. Peace.